The Flex Edge Beater is one of the most frequently used tools in many makers' kitchens. That's why it's important to properly clean and maintain them. Here are some tips and tricks to help preserve the long-term health of your Flex Edge Beater. The Flex Edge Beater is dishwasher safe. We recommend placing it in the upper rack. You can also clean the beater using warm soapy water and a soft cloth. Be sure not to let your beater attachment soak in water with food particles, as they often become trapped and must be removed with a toothpick. Try to remember to dry your beater immediately after washing. Depending on the type of ingredients that were used, your beater may accumulate a sticky type residue. Try the following methods to remove. Wash the beater using a grease-cutting dish detergent of your choice and a soft nylon brush or sponge. If the residue remains, try cleaning the beater with some white vinegar. As always, remember to thoroughly rinse and dry the beater before storing it. Drying is just as important as washing when it comes to maintaining your Flex Edge Beater. Storing your attachments and mixer separately preserves their long-term health.